Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am going to give you some little information about Sri Jagannath Mandir. So first I would like to tell you some divine chamatkar of that temple. The first one is that the flag defies the wind. If the wind is blowing from left to right, then the flag will fly like in opposite direction of the wind. And the second one is the ever facing Sudarshan Chakra. If you are in any corner of the of street in Puri, then from everywhere you can see the Ashok Chakra on the top of that mandir, of that temple. The third one is the temple casts no shadow. There is in the whole day there is no shadow cast on that. There is no shadow of that temple in all the day. And the fourth one is no bird or plane flies above. The plane does not fly above that temple. Even the no one bird also does not fly above that temple. And the sea falls silent within. When you enter, when you just enter in that temple, then you if you are outside, then you will listen too much noise of that sea. But suddenly game when you suddenly enter in that, then you will not listen any single noise of that sea fall. The last one is the kitchen that never runs short. In a day, if there is 10,000 people who come to that, then the food will exactly for them. The food will not even feel short if there is like one day the 10,000 people come to that, then the food also will be not short, and the second day if the 12,000 people come, then also the food will not get short, and it will also not remain. It will be exactly how much people came to that temple. The and second, I would like to tell you some temple facts. So it is also known as the one of the Char Dham Mandir, and it it has also been the architecture of that temple is in Kalinga style, and there is also named wood deities, and there is also an annual Grand Rath Yatra in which a very huge Rath Yatra held into that Puri, where millions of people came to see that on the Rath Yatra. And as I already tell you, it is also the world's largest kitchen, and it is also four separate gateways. One is in east, one is in west, and one is in north, and one is in south. So if you get a chance to visit that temple, then definitely you should visit, and you can see the chamatkar of that mandir also.